In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Evernote from your PC. Whether you've decided to switch to a different note-taking application, or you're simply looking to free up some space on your computer, removing software that's no longer needed is always a good practice. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure a hassle-free uninstallation process. First, we'll need to open the control panel, which is a vital part of managing the various programs installed on your computer. To do this, you'll press the Windows key on your keyboard along with the letter R. This action will bring up the Run dialog box, which is a helpful tool for quickly accessing settings and applications on your system. In the provided text field of this dialog box, type the word Control and press Enter. This command will open up the control panel window, setting the stage for the next part of the uninstallation process. Now that you've accessed the control panel, you'll want to navigate to the section dedicated to managing programs. Look for the option labeled Programs and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you handle software installations on your PC. From there, move on to select Programs and Features. This choice will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the programs currently installed on your computer. It's a user-friendly way of seeing everything at a glance. With the list of programs in front of you, it's time to find Evernote. Scroll through the list until you locate Evernote. They often appear in alphabetical order, which can make the process a bit quicker. Once you've found it, you'll want to move your mouse over to Evernote and right-click. This will bring up a small menu where you should select the Uninstall option. By choosing Uninstall, you're initiating the removal process. At this point, your system might present you with a series of on-screen prompts or warnings related to the uninstallation. This is completely normal, so there's no need to worry. These prompts may ask you to confirm that you want to remove Evernote. Simply follow these instructions, clicking through any necessary confirmations, and the system will take care of the rest. Be sure to patiently wait as the uninstallation process completes. Depending on your computer's speed and configuration, this may take a few moments. Once it's done, you might want to restart your computer to ensure that all components of Evernote have been completely removed from your system. And there you have it. Evernote should now be successfully uninstalled from your PC. If you encountered any issues along the way, don't hesitate to try these steps again or seek additional help. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks on managing your computer software.